Today, we're diving deep into something truly fascinating, something that's been buzzing all over the tech world. We're talking about the Phone 3a, the latest mysterious device that has everyone asking the same question: what is Nothing really up to? There have been leaks, rumors, and even some insider info suggesting that this could be the most disruptive mid-range phone we've ever seen. And today, we're unpacking all the secrets behind the Phone 3a and why it could change the smartphone industry as we know it. Let's start with what we know for sure. Nothing, the company founded by Carl P., has been making serious waves in the tech space. After the Phone 1 and the Phone 2 introduced their unique transparent design and Glyph interface, people have been eagerly waiting to see what's next. And now, the Phone 3a is here to shake things up, but this time, it's different. Unlike its predecessors, which were premium and semi-premium devices, the Phone 3a is rumored to be Nothing's first true budget-friendly phone. But don't let the budget label fool you, this phone could still pack some serious surprises. One of the biggest secrets behind the Phone 3a lies in its design philosophy. If there's one thing Nothing is known for, it's pushing boundaries. And with this phone, they might be rethinking what a budget smartphone should look like. Leaks suggest that the Phone 3a will still retain elements of the iconic transparent design, though it may feature a more refined, minimalistic look with slightly toned-down Glyph lighting. That's right, the Glyph lights aren't going anywhere, but they could be smaller, smarter, and even more customizable. Nothing might introduce a streamlined version of their LED interface, making it more useful and practical rather than just an aesthetic feature. Now, let's talk about performance. One of the biggest concerns when a brand introduces a more affordable device is whether they'll compromise too much on power. But from what we're hearing, Nothing might have found the perfect balance. The Phone 3a is expected to run on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 2 or a custom-tuned MediaTek Dimensity processor, bringing flagship-like performance at a fraction of the cost. If these leaks are true, we're looking at a phone that could go head-to-head with mid-range competitors like the Pixel 7a and Samsung's Galaxy A series. Plus, with NothingOS 2.5 or 3.0 in development, we can expect clean, bloat-free software with smooth animations and seamless app transitions. But the real game changer? The cameras. Budget phones often cut corners in the camera department, but Nothing might be doing things differently. Reports suggest that the Phone 3a could feature a Sony IMX main sensor, the same kind of sensor found in flagship devices. This means we could be looking at a surprisingly powerful camera setup capable of excellent low-light performance, crisp portrait shots, and high-quality 4K video recording. If Nothing manages to deliver this while keeping the price competitive, it could be a huge win for mobile photography enthusiasts. And speaking of wins, let's talk about battery life and charging. One of the secrets behind the Phone 3a could be its enhanced battery optimization. With a rumored 4,700 mAh battery, this phone is expected to last a full day with ease, even under heavy usage. But what's really exciting is the charging speed. While many budget phones max out at 25W fast charging, Nothing might introduce a 45W fast charging option, allowing you to go from 0 to 100% in under an hour. And guess what? Wireless charging might still be in the mix. That's right, Nothing could be bringing wireless charging to the mid-range market, a feature that's usually reserved for flagships. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: pricing. One of the biggest secrets behind the Phone 3a is how aggressive Nothing is planning to be with its pricing strategy. If leaks are accurate, we're looking at a device that could start at around $399 to $449, making it one of the most affordable premium-like smartphones on the market. Compare this to Google's Pixel 7a, which starts at $499, or Samsung's Galaxy A54, which is around the same price, and you start to see how nothing could shake up the entire industry. They've already disrupted the flagship killer space now. They're coming for the mid-range market. Of course, no phone is perfect, and there are still some unknowns. Will Nothing keep the aluminum frame, or will they switch to plastic to cut costs? Will they remove stereo speakers, or keep that premium audio experience? And perhaps the biggest question, will software updates be as consistent and long-term as their flagship models? These are things we'll have to wait and see, but from what we know so far, the Phone 3a is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases of the year. So, should you be excited about the Phone 3a? If you're looking for a unique, stylish, and powerful mid-range smartphone that stands out from the crowd, then absolutely. Nothing has already proven that they can innovate, and if they manage to deliver this level of design, performance, and camera quality at an affordable price, Samsung, Google, and even Apple's budget lineup should be worried. And now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about the NothingPhone 3a? Would you consider buying it, or are you waiting to see what other brands bring to the table? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.